Hi there, welcome to our channel FleeTech. In this video, we will talk about how to clear space on Google Drive. So for this, first of all, navigate to Google Drive app, click on it to open. Now as you can see, I am totally out of storage and they are offering to buy some space. So for now, I will click on clean up space here. As I clicked, a new interface will open. So what you need to do is scroll down and there you will find some large photo videos and emails. So what you can do is simply click on review. So if you want to delete large emails attachments, so I will click on review here. As you click on review, select all the files, make sure that they are not necessary and click on delete on the top right corner. Check this box and click on delete permanently. So in this way, you can clear space on Google Drive. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.